Hello, I am Sam. Today we will see to check whether a number is even or odd in Python. First, we will take a variable n. If you wish, you can take other variable. Now I will put a user given number in a variable. Then to do that, I will write this statement and enter n is equal to. Now this statement will do, it will take the user in. If a user gives 8 as, it will the user give a value 8, then the 8 will be stored in the n variable. Now I will apply a simple logic of every or an even statement. We know that if anything divisible by 2, then the number is even, or else it will be odd. So I will put that in if and n statement. Write like this: if n mod 2 is equal to 0, then print it is a even number. Else print it is a odd number. Here it will be n. It is an even number. It is an odd number. It is an odd number. Now here the program will check if the n mod 2 is 0, means mod being the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then means that will be divisible by 2, and for that it will print the number is even. If it is not, then it will print odd. Now let's check it by saving the program. I saved it. Now I will check the number. I will enter even number. 46 is even number. Now it will show it is an even number. Else, if I don't enter even number, if I now enter the odd number, so this is an odd number. Now it will print it is an odd number. Hope the video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos in future. Thank you.